Today we're talking about finances with Damien Fog. We're talking about proactive and practical ways to cut down on your outgoings, increase your incomings, so you can help your business survive through the coronavirus crisis. Friday Drinks with Damien Fog.
Hello everyone, so I'm Damien Fog. I'm a former financial advisor and property investor. I've been involved in the financial services industry for decades. I'm now a full-time investor. I help other people manage their finances a little bit better and get started with investing.
It was probably the start of my journey into figuring out more about finances. Definitely helped me reduce a lot of my outgoings. How do you recommend people go about making a start on looking at where their high outgoings may be, and how could they look to make a start in trimming them down? What's some of the ways that you recommend when you're chatting to somebody?
Easiest way to start is to use your bank statements. Very briefly, what he's basically said was, what is your average net earnings, net profits over the last 3 years or over the last 12 months if you've not been running that long? They'll take an average of that and then pay you 80% per month of whatever your net monthly salary profit was. He's in a fairly difficult position, isn't he? Because he was never going to please everybody. And obviously you guys in the hospitality industry have got the business rates stuff. So there's an awful lot of stuff that's already been put out there to try and help people out. When it comes to more of the self-employed side of things, I guess specifically at the lowest end of self-employed people, predominantly sole traders.
That you show there's ways and means to bring in income in many different forms, and one of them is the investing.